Hi, I watched your guide and I got the, what do you call it? I duplicated the project. I set it up. I wasn't too sure what to do to put it for Instagram. But that Instagram, I think, yeah, I chose vertical. The problem I feel that I have is that the framing, it doesn't like allow you to sort of punch in, punch out. Because I want to have like a wide shot and then go in, wide shot and then go in. Instead, I'm like just tweaking it here, and it looks sometimes a bit unnatural. So I don't know if you have any tips how to edit this. Like if you could go through a real world example with someone else's crappy footage. Maybe I should just hire an editor who knows what he's doing. I want to learn, but like I'm just, yeah. What is this distort four corner thing? I didn't intend for that to happen. Maybe I accidentally added it. But yeah, any tips how to punch in and punch out would be gratefully received. Thank you.